Continuing with election updates, the temperature is soaring hour by hour, but the voters of East Tripura say that nothing will dampen their enthusiasm to go out and vote. Here's a report by DD India's Deepika Mahato.
Has now reached the Teliamura region of East Tripura. It is indeed very hot here. You can see the flags behind me because a rally took place over here. But now the space and land is empty because the temperature is rising as the hours passes and people are going back to their homes. Let's now talk to some of the local people here. How are they planning to beat the heat amid the Lok Sabha elections?
The East Tripura district is all set to go to the polls on the 26th of April and the temperature is rising hour by hour. While the residents of East Tripura usually go back home in afternoon time, but on the voting day, they say scorching heat won't stop them. We went out to the voters and asked how are they going to beat the heat on the polling day.
We will go and vote on 26th April. Weather keeps on changing, that's not the concern. We will vote on the polling day.
People have got jobs here in East Tripura. We have seen a lot of development in the last few years. Nothing will stop us from voting. We will vote.
Inside the village area, we met a family who sells small items like biscuits, chips, etc. They say that weather is a regular phenomena, but parliamentary voting happens once in every 4 years.
Heat is not an issue. We will go in the morning to cast our vote. Voting is important.
So there you heard from the voters as well as the party leaders of both the main parties here in Tripura East District that whatever the weather may be, their enthusiasm for putting across the vote for polling on the 26th of April would not be affected by any of the climatic conditions. Be it summer, be it winter, be it a rainy season, the voters have always gone to vote and this time also they will go and vote in large numbers. With camera person Kumar Datta, this is Deepika reporting for DD India from Teliamara district, East Tripura.